2. We are. We up and early. This is the first time I'm up and early because yesterday definitely not. But we're about to go to Peppermill. I wonder what movie Peppermill been on. The food is good. I had it before. Where is it? It's across the street. We're gonna walk there. It's probably like a 10-minute walk.
Going down.
You're not closer?
This is the outfits of the day. You got it in here. Hey. It's out of control. Oh, look at it. We have an itinerary.
So that we gotta be walking
And
over this place. We gotta be over here like, okay.
I said we gotta be there by 8:30. We're gonna get there at 8:36. 6 minutes. Mom, I know. My mom was telling us. Let's go to the right. To the right, yeah. So yeah, we're about to walk to this place.
Tell the guy to come pick up the restaurant.
From there, yeah, that's fine. Crazy. They say you don't sweat. My nose is sweating. See that? Hot. It's hot. We weren't able to go to Peppermill. So now we at Basic Denny's because it was a 35-minute wait. And our Uber comes at 9:40 to go pick up the car. And right now it's 9:05, so we wouldn't even have time to sit down and do all that extra stuff. So we need it. When I go on vacation, I don't like going to places I go back at home. You know what I'm saying? Like Denny's, like all that, McDonald's, like, no. We can do that at home. I want something new and something that we never did, you know, that we don't have back at home. We got the 2021 Sonata. We got oranges in the back. You said it looks smaller? It do look smaller. We are at Famous Dave's and these our dishes look so good.
So good, so
This
good.
looks good.
Right?
So good, so good.
What is that, the Wi-Fi?
Daddy says hi. Alright guys, so we are going to see Hoover Dam. Sean said, I'm shocked that it's still water in there. Oh, you can even see you guys. Mama Dukes. Yeah, she see that I'm driving and she's freaking out on the side. But I'll get back to the video once we're there. But look at the...
Somebody was like, yo, that looks crazy. I have posted it on the Facebook.
Already? This is
What, you was on live?
You was on live, Sean?
Are we going down the elevator to get to there?
I don't know. Welcome to the Hoover Dam. No food, no liquid, no fire, no alcohol. Okay. Yeah. This is so cool. Las Vegas is lit. It's just really, really hot. And it's in June.
Summertime, I wouldn't highly recommend it.
Yeah. Unless you don't mind the heat. It gets like 100 and something. You need some.
You are not near man body of water unless it's the Hoover.
Even by the Hoover Dam, you're still hot. I mean, I'm a summer's baby. I love summer. I mean, like heat, but not like this, where you can't even breathe. Like she said, it's like the devil himself is like, Hutch! Like sneezed on you, spit on you, everything. Cause that's how hot it is. He's vlogging too.
Phone vlog.
That's how you know it's hot out here. When your phone says, when your phone cuts off. Yeah, exactly. Your phone's saying temperature is too high. Like before you use it, you gotta cool it off. So we buy this fan, cooler fan, to cool our phones off. Crazy. Oh, is it? It's like. Oh, okay. I was gonna say. And then you gotta hurry up and record because it's so hot that my phone keeps turning off. But this is so beautiful, even though I'm low-key scared of bridges and stuff. But it's so nice. The water is blue and everything. Like, wow, look at that. You losing your voice over here?
Huh?
You losing your voice? You like,
Trying. She just sitting there like, it's hot.
she ain't hot.
She on her phone, she looking at her phone, her phone going like this.
Right, it's gonna be like,
I'm
sorry.
getting enough time.
Super beautiful. The GoPro. My toes is hot. Like, I'm about to get black. Don't drop the phone. Make sure nobody don't bump into you. Like me. Look at me. We came, we saw. Oh! Oh. We came. No. Go ahead, Sean. Look. We came, we saw.
It's time to go, it's too hot. Mark it off the list.
Right, exactly. Mark it off the bucket list. Wow, but look how the freaking river is greenish blue. Like, that's beautiful. Beautiful, huh? My toes is really hot and my phone keep cutting off, so I can't vlog too much because it's saying temperature need to cool down. So yeah, but this is it. Bye.
I was in Arizona for a hot second.
We're in Arizona now because it's the border from Nevada to Arizona this way. It's nice. It's in front of the Venetian Hotel. They got the gondola rides right there. This is the gondola rides. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah. Someone doing it right there. Someone doing it right there. And I heard sometimes they be singing to you and stuff too. Beautiful. Got my Fat Tuesdays with an extra shot of 151 rum. You already know.
Nothing.